What's up, guys? We did an alarm here with remote start GPS on this Peterbilt 2013. To arm the alarm, it's got the phone app and everything. I'm gonna hit lock. Arms the alarm. Okay, disarm it. Disarms the alarm. Remote start the truck. Okay, I give it the the diesel delay. The way it turns on the ignition, it goes through all the cycling that the truck needs to go through, and now it's going to hit the crank right now. The voltage of the battery, the signal of the unit. To turn it off, I'm going to hit this to turn it off here. Okay. And that will tell you the run time. I can show location because this is not where the truck stays. If it would have been the location where the truck stays, we don't like to show it on for the whole world to see it. But he's going to be taking off from here. So yeah, you can switch over to satellite image or whatnot. This you can do anywhere in the world. You can be in Canada and your truck can be in the U.S. or whatever. You can arm and disarm it, or as long as you have cell phone reception, the truck has to be in the U.S. or Canada or Puerto Rico, and it will work just fine. Okay, that's that. When the alarm fires off, get the key from the owner. Comes with the fob. Okay. When the alarm fires off, you will get the alert. The app doesn't have to be open or nothing like that. It's a push notification from the server. Okay. You'll see the notification came in. It's got starter kill, so when you're on the alarm, the truck won't start. We normally don't put it, the starter kill, but he requested it, so it's no big deal. I can do it if the customer requests it. But yeah, I don't like to do it in case you're out on the road and say something else goes wrong with the truck. I don't want to be in a conversation piece. So a lot of times we don't hook it up, so that way we're out of that that situation. In this case, we did do the starter kill, and we show the customer where the bypass is. So if there's ever an issue with the truck not starting and he wants to roll me out, which I can guarantee you that is never me, but some of these mechanics, they want to make sure that it's not the alarm, so they don't waste their time checking things. I would normally show the customer where he can join the bridge, close the bridge back up, and then he can rule me out of that conversation. But that if I'm telling you, if it happens once every 5 years or 6 years that we get somebody with that, it's too much. We normally don't have those situations. And this is the antenna that goes in the corner of the windshield. This will give you the range on the fob that you can arm and disarm it from a length of a football field. From the phone, you can do it anywhere in the world. And it's got the button here for pit stop. So if the truck is running, say the truck is on. Okay, I'm gonna get ready to start it up in a second. Okay, say the truck is running and you want to get off and you want to leave the truck running, but you want to take the keys with you. You press this button twice. Okay, then you can remove the key, and the truck will stay running for 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. Okay, and by the way, when you remote start the truck, it's not a license to drive away without the key. You need to turn the key all the way in ignition and then take off. Okay, you cannot drive without the key in the ignition. Just for some people that will ask that question. Basically, that's it. This is the whole complete package in this 2013 Peterbilt. And the fob is the same thing. You're gonna arm it here, disarm it here, and twice here to remote start it. This concludes the installation. We're based out of Miami, and we do not have anybody in your home state or whatever state you're in. If you want this job done, you're gonna have to give us a call, and you have to find a load to Miami, and We can get it done for you. It takes about 2 hours, and then you can jump back in the turnpike and just head back and pick up another load and head home. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.